Hello everyone and welcome back to Joys It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Alyssa and I deal with the crochet side of this channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these super cute crochet hearts. Now you can use these hearts for so many different things. I've actually turned a few of them into granny squares, but you could use them on bags, on a book cover, or you could even sew them onto a crochet cardigan. I really hope you guys like this tutorial and let's get into it. To make these hearts, you're going to need some yarn. I'm using this DK weight cotton yarn, but you can really use anything you'd like. You're then also going to need a crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm hook, but make sure you use whatever size your yarn recommends. You're then also going to need a pair of scissors and a darning needle. We're going to start by making a slip knot, which you can then pop onto your hook. And from here, we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then from here we're going to find the very first stitch and we're going to slip stitch into it. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that chain and pull straight through the loop on your hook. And if you open this up, you're going to see that this has made a little ring that we can work into. Now I will say that if you prefer, you can make a magic ring. From here, we're going to chain 1. And working back into our ring, we're going to make 10 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to do that until we have 10 half double crochet in total. Once you have your 10 half double crochet, you're probably going to have a gap in the centre. All you want to do is pull this tail end at the back here, pull it really nice and tight, and that is going to close that gap up for you. If you've made a magic ring, you want to go ahead and close it up at this point as well. Then we're just going to finish off this round by finding the very first half double crochet we made. We're going to pop our hook into it, just like this, and we're going to make a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through and pull straight through the loop on your hook. And there we are, that is the end of round 1. For round 2, we're going to begin by chaining 1. This does not count as a stitch. And we're simply going to make 2 half double crochet into every stitch around. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then another one into the same stitch. So we have 2 half double crochet. Then into the next stitch we're going to have 1, and then our second one. So just go ahead and repeat this all the way around and I'll meet you back when you're done. And there we are, this is what it should be looking like now. If you want to check, you should have 20 stitches in total. Now to finish the round, we're going to find the very first half double crochet, insert your hook into it and make a slip stitch. And there we are, that's the end of round 2. For round 3, we're going to start by chaining 1. In the same stitch, we're going to make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to make 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In the next stitch, we're going to make 4 treble crochet. So yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So that's 1. We're going to make 3 more into the same stitch. There we are, so there's our 4 treble crochet. Into the next stitch we're going to make 1 treble crochet. There we are, that's what it looks like. In the next stitch we're going to make 2 double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then another one in the same stitch. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to make 2 half double crochet. So pull through all 3 loops and then a second one in the same stitch. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch we're going to make 1 single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that is the first side of our heart. I know that might have been a lot, but we have finished that bit. We're now going to make the point. In the next stitch make 2 half double crochet. So here's 1, and then a second one in the same stitch. Then chain 2. So 1 and 2. Into the next stitch make 2 half double crochet. So here's 1, and then our second one. And you can see there that's created the pointy bit of our heart. So now all we've got to do is make the second side. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to make 2 half double crochet. So here's 1, then back in the same stitch, here's 2. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to make 2 double crochet. So here's 1, and then back in the same stitch our second one. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 treble crochet. So remember, yarn over your hook twice, insert it, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In the next stitch you're going to make 4 treble crochet. So here's 1, we've got to make 3 more in the same stitch. There we are, that's what it should be looking like. In the next stitch we're going to make 1 double crochet. And finally you should have 1 stitch left. Into that make 1 half double crochet. So that's into your very last stitch. And then to finish it off, you're going to slip stitch back into that same stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull straight through the loop on your hook. Then from here you can chain 1 to fasten off, and you can cut your yarn. Then you can go ahead, pull that through, pull that nice and tight, and there you are, you have your very own crochet heart. So all you have to do now, there's just one more step, is to go ahead and grab your darning needle and using that to just sew in any tail ends that you might have. So you'll probably have one on the very back and then one from where we fastened off. And then once you've done that, you're done. Folks, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions or video requests, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you all again next week in my next tutorial, but until then, happy crocheting!